Whoa, yeah, swear to God I'm with it. I don't see nobody in my lane that's quite go get it like me. Whoa, please don't be wasting my time with that business. Who you kidding, man? Yeah. Whoa, yeah, swear to God I'm with it. I don't see nobody in my lane that's quite go get it like me.
That was a nice run, brother.
Please don't be wasting my time with that business. Who you kidding, man? Yeah. Say it gon' put me all in the mad with all that mad game you been talking. Oh yeah, man, that's awesome. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. We just got your cars in Chrono and West Covina at this plaza. So we'll walk around and I'll show you guys what kind of cars they got. Lots of supercars, plus Dde here, daily driven exotics. I'll show you his car, and Alex.Choi 4.20.2019 Lamborghini Huracan is here, so I'll show you guys that car as well. So enjoy.
You in Chanel cause it's just perfect for your smile. Girl, I swear for you I'd run the world, I'd run the miles. The way you look at me, I think I'm going insane. It's crazy how we started out to what the love became. You need me, say my name. Don't ever hesitate. It's 2 AM outside, when I'm with you I feel way too high. You know you got me going crazy, baby. I just need to know that you will stay, please, yeah. With you I feel too high. I feel too high. Yeah, it's going on with you, I feel high. Got me going crazy, stone cold up, but my blood keeps crazy, ayy. If you run, then I'm chasing. Girl, you number one, I know that you know you're amazing. Okay, I swear you got me high and I ain't talking about no drugs. So all I need is you, I swear your love is like my plug. Hey, baby, I might come and steal your heart, I'll make a crime scene. Designer on your tight jeans, some diamonds for your timepiece, yeah, yeah. You know you got me going crazy, baby. I just need to know that you will stay, please, yeah. It's 2 AM outside